There are several different ways to access the Keyword Explorer in TubeBuddy. The way I'm showing you today is through the browser extension plugin and just the TubeBuddy icon that'll be in the top right-hand corner of your web browser. Click on that and click on Keyword Explorer. Next, in the top left-hand corner of the box that appears, you'll be able to enter a keyword into the search bar. As you type in the word you want to explore, TubeBuddy will show autocomplete suggestions so that you can search for longer keywords if you so choose. Then click Explore, and you will get an overall score. In this case, searching the word cruise gets a poor rating of 9 out of 100. Looking at the score analysis, you can see that the search volumes are very high, but so is the competition. In fact, the competition is higher than the search volume. As a result, the rating is poor. You'll also notice that there are 90.5 million search results on this search term. So let's say that we want to narrow this down a little bit because we don't want to compete against nearly 91 million other videos. So let's say that we are taking a cruise on a Carnival cruise ship. So we're going to add the word Carnival to our keyword. Now you'll see that the total number of search results has drastically reduced down to slightly less than 4 million. The score has only slightly increased up to 10, but it's still rated as poor. The search volumes are still very high, and the competition is even higher. But we are making some progress. You'll notice that on the right-hand side, under Related and Most Used Tags, are a series of suggestions that you could also search. In this case, we're going to click on the words Carnival Cruise Bermuda. Now we're getting somewhere. The score is increased to good as a 50 out of 100. The search volumes are lower, but the competition is also much lower. So, you see in the total number of search results, we are now competing with just over a little more than 100,000 videos. Much better than the 90 or 4 million that we'd been competing against before. So if you want to use this keyword, you can click on the top right-hand corner where it says Copy, and copy this to your clipboard so you can then paste it onto your video. Alternatively, you might want to use some of the terms under Related and Most Used as well. Check a few of those boxes and you'll notice that the keyword selected number increases. In this case, we have selected 7 keywords that we are now going to copy to the clipboard. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you haven't installed the TubeBuddy browser plugin yet, please do so using the link below. It is an affiliate link, but this video is not sponsored. The free version of TubeBuddy does include the Keyword Explorer. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos.